Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Ryan Bristol, physical therapist, and in my most recent video, I talked about two really powerful stretches to help people fast with low back pain, and I talked about the lumbar extension stretches. Extension meaning that you're going to be stretching your spine in a backwards direction, and in that video, I showed two stretches where the person would be lying down on their stomach. Now, those are two excellent stretches I recommend pretty much for most of my low back pain patients. However, in one of my Facebook groups, one of the members asked me, those exercises look good and all, but what if, in her case, she said that she has spondylolisthesis, which means that spondylolisthesis, the vertebrae have a little bit of a shift. So in some of those cases, you might want to hold off on extension stretching. So in this video, I want to differentiate lumbar extension versus flexion stretching. And when you have extension versus flexion, that'll pretty much hit anybody with low back pain and sciatica, because a lot of people will benefit from extension, like what I showed in my previous video, but I didn't talk about flexion. So flexion will be going into more of a forward knees to chest position, and that would be usually recommended for somebody with spondylolisthesis, especially if it's on the more severe side, and anybody with moderate to severe spinal stenosis and moderate to severe degenerative disc disease. But whichever category you fall into as a low back pain patient, you really want to figure out which one's going to suit you the best, whether you're an extension person or a flexion person. Always consult with your doctor or physical therapist when trying to figure that out. I also have a lot of trainings about flexion versus extension in my free app, and you can download it to your smartphone, whether it's the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So I'll put the link to my free app so you can have access to all these videos and pictures for back pain, and I have other trainings in there too. But in this video, I just want to talk a little bit about the difference from flexion and an extension. Right after I'm done talking, I will also show a couple of stretches. Two of them are the lumbar extension stretches, where it's best to lay on your stomach, and then excuse me, and I have two flexion stretches that I commonly teach my patients that I feel will benefit from flexion. So that's going to be here coming up in just a second. Again, download my free app, because it's going to have all this stuff in there, and you can even communicate with me and other members inside the app. So here it goes. Leave some comments with any questions, and here you go.